Hello, welcome to 5-Minute Maths. Today we'll be going over exponents. Now before we begin the video, I would like to remind you guys to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more quality content. Now let's start the video. Right, so what are exponents? So exponents are simply an easier way to express the multiplication of one number, and it is written in the form a to the b power. And this is equivalent to multiplying a together b amount of times. For example, if I have 6 to the third, then that's the same thing as, so 6 times 6 times 6. 6 times itself 3 times because it's the same thing as a multiplying a to do together b amount of times. So now let's do an example. So we want to manipulate the following expression into exponent form. And we have to keep in mind that exponents are in the form a to the bth power right here. So we have 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So first we know exponent is just pretty much the base number a right here, a multiplied itself by itself b times. So we know it's multiplying itself 4 times. So it's 1 3, 2 3, 3 3s, and 4 3s. So we know b equals 4, and obviously the base number right here is 3. So this in exponent form, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 is simply 3 to the 4th power. All right, now let's do some practice problems. So what is 1 to the infinitieth power? So this is, I can say, a little bit more of a trick question, but, you know, infinity is how many times you multiply by 1. So it's pretty much 1 times 1 times 1, all the way up, like infinite amount of times. But we know that 1 times 1 will always be 1. So no matter how many times we multiply 1 together, it will always be 1. So this simply equals to 1. So now next one is, what is 2 to the 5th power? So we're multiplying 2 by itself 5 times because it's to the 5th power. So we just do 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, and 16 times 2 is 32. So that's 2 to the 5th power. Now was 9 to the 3rd power. So same thing, the sense is to the 3rd power, multiplying 9 together 3 times. So we have 9 times 9 times 9. 9 times 9 is 81. 81 times 9 is 729. So this is a pretty brief and easy introduction to exponents. There are more complicated parts to exponents, but we're going to make that in a separate video, so watch out for that one. And yeah, that's it for today. If you enjoy the video, please like the video and share it, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.